Hi, welcome to Best Review channel. Here are the top 10 Moko Ergonomic Keyboards of 2021. The list starts from Moko Bluetooth Keyboard, wireless ultra-thin computer keyboard with a removable bracket. Its comfortable typing scissor foot construction, creating quiet working or playing environment, avoiding bother others. Provides a better tactile response, making typing more liquid and sensitive. No delay in conveying information. It's portable. It is easy to put your keyboard into the bag, and it is convenient for you to carry it wherever you go. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Ninth one is Moko Keyboard 2.4G wireless ultra-thin rechargeable computer keyboard for Android, Windows, laptop, desktop, PC, notebook. Its ergonomic design, ultra-slim keyboard metal body, the thick clearance between the bottom shell and the surface shell around the keyboard is no more than 0.3 millimeters, is beautiful and portable. With the sturdy tilt legs design, this keyboard ensures comfort and stability. It's high quality. The keyboard is made of high-quality metal backboard, and the back of the keyboard is made of ABS. It is strong and durable. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. You shouldn't miss this product's review. Moko laptop stand, multi-angle adjustable laptop holder for desk, foldable computer, notebook, PC. It's foldable and portable. Foldable design, portable thin size, it's easy to use and carry for travel. The size of the portable MacBook stand is 10.94 0.98 inch. The anti-slip holder on the panel will hold your notebook laptop safely on the place. Its laptop stand with heat dissipation, multiple hollows in the panel enhance the airflow, makes better heat dissipation. In addition, special cooling knob designed to increase airflow and ventilate your personal laptop computer for better heat dissipation. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Well, here is the seventh one, Moko wireless Bluetooth keyboard, ultra-thin foldable rechargeable keyboard for iPhone, iPad 9.7, iPad. It's ultra-thin and lightweight. Folded 6.37, 3.8, 0.4, unfolded 12.6, 3.8, 0.2, weighs only 138.8 grams, 4.9 ounces. The innovative foldable design easily fits into a purse, bag, or pocket, suitable for travel and work. It's rechargeable. Built-in rechargeable battery, supports 40-hour continuous working, standby 30 days. You can charge from any USB port using the included cable. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. You should look into this product. It was surely well-marketed. Moko mechanical gaming keyboard with blue switches, 9 colors, preset LED backlit keyboard. It's LED backlit keyboard, RGB backlit, 104 key anti-ghosting mechanical gaming keyboard for a more immersive, colorful typing and gaming experience. 9 preset lighting effects, 7 color backlight modes, features adjustable mode, brightness and LED effect, speed, multifunction FN combination key. It can realize the multimedia and switch backlight functions. It's full keys without conflict, support full keys without conflict, flexible removable keycaps, extremely fast response speed with custom mechanical switches, great for typists, programmers, gamers, etc. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Now we will show you the fifth product in the list, Moko laptop riser stand, universal detachable portable sturdy aluminum alloy notebook PC desk. It's stable and protective, made of premium 5mm alloy. The stand is quite sturdy and has a smooth edge that protect you from being scratched. With large silicone pads on the top surface and bottom, hold your device stable in place and no worry about any scuffs on your pretty devices. Its ergonomic design, screen positioned at eye level and tilted angle, maximally relieve your neck and shoulder strain. Good sitting posture at your workstation means your body is relaxed. Height and angle adjustment accords to ergonomic design, which adjusts posture, and correct posture can ease pains in shoulder and waist for comfortable viewing, reading and typing. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Customers are king, and according to them, one should buy this one. Moko computer monitor riser stand, universal aluminium desktop stand for LED LCD monitor. Its ergonomic design, the monitor stand raises your monitor for maximum comfort, reducing eye and neck strain, promoting good posture to make your work with computer easier. Its fashion style metallic finish, smooth surface figures, simple and modest luxury design, provide you ultimate using experience. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. If you want cost efficient, this new one is for you. Moko wireless keyboard and mouse, 2.4G mini small rechargeable keyboard mouse combo. It's fully compatible with Windows XP, Vista, 7, 8, 8.1, 10 systems. Works with notebook, Chromebook, laptop, computer that is equipped with US ports. Its long battery endurance, the rechargeable polymer 280 mAh battery in the keyboard, provides daily use for 90 days, much more than other keyboard. The mouse is powered by 2x AA batteries. Note: the AA battery is not included. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. According to reviews, the second best product is Moko wireless keyboard and mouse, ultra slim universal rechargeable full-size wireless keyboard. It's fully compatible with Windows Vista, 7, 8, 8.1, 10 systems. Works with notebook, Chromebook, laptop, computer that is equipped with US ports. Its long battery endurance, the rechargeable polymer 280 mAh battery in the keyboard, provides daily use for 90 days, much more than other keyboard. The mouse is powered by 2x AA batteries. Note: the AA battery is not included. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Now here is our best of best, the King product, Moko Bluetooth keyboard, wireless ultra-thin computer keyboard with a removable bracket. Its comfortable typing scissor foot construction, creating quiet working or playing environment, avoiding bother others. Provides a better tactile response, making typing more liquid and sensitive. It's portable, it is easy to put your keyboard into the bag, and it is convenient for you to carry it wherever you go. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon.